I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get crypto. Com wallet address full guide. Open the crypto. Com app, sign in, and navigate to wallet to begin finding your address. I will walk you through choosing the right currency, locating the receive button, and copying or scanning the QR code securely. Stay with me for tips on avoiding mistakes and confirming network compatibility before sending any funds. Open the app and pick the exact crypto you want to receive because network matters. Tap Receive to show your wallet address and QR code clearly on screen. Always double-check the address prefix and paste it into the sender app to avoid errors. If you use a QR scanner, confirm the visible address before approving. I'll also cover how to label addresses and manage multiple wallets safely throughout this guide. If the address seems incorrect, first verify the selected network to prevent loss. Restart the app or check for updates if receive is missing, and try copying the address again. Use screenshots when contacting support to speed resolution, and always test with a small amount when unsure. I'll share simple checks for address length, common network names, and how to spot phishing or fake addresses to keep your crypto safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.